Today unboxing is the 1:43 scale Lykan Hypersport from Keng Fai. Not much is known about Keng Fai. I know they are associated with the TK company, and that's part of initial model. These are part of my collection, which I will showcase time to time. I recall the retail price for this model is about 7,000 yen. Comes in a very exclusive packaging in a black box. You can see the label here, W Motors Lykan Hypersport in pearl white. And the email is info@igmodel.com. It's a 1:43 scale, produced under the license of W Motors. You can see the foil stamping is very premium. After taking out the sleeve, immediately you can see the large Keng Fai logo on the side. And on the front is the logo of W Motors. Comes in a clear acrylic display. It looks premium. Wow, this Lykan Hypersport looks awesome. Given the retail price is not as sharp as initial model 1:43, nevertheless, it's still made of high-end quality and is ultra detailed. Paint itself comes in pearl white, which is very premium, and it sits and presents very well on the base. What I really like is the carbon fiber details. It's very well executed and very precise. Rear is the one that really stands out for me. Just look at the logo, the details of the grille, and also the rear lights. For close-up, it looks really detailed for the interior, and the wiper comes in another unit. You have to be very careful on this area because it's very fragile. Lots of details on the headlights as well, and including the details for the W Motors. Very nice and ultra realistic wheel set with disc brake. And unlike all the 1:43 initial model, which the wheels can't roll, this Keng Fai Lykan Hypersport really amazed me. See how fast and smooth? It's really the best of both worlds. Overall, I'm very happy to add this 1:43 Lykan Hypersport into my collection. Although not as sharp as 1:43 initial model, it has its own merits and will definitely stand out in your 1:43 model cars collection. More 1:43 unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!